Hey guys, it's me Lex, and today it's Vlogmas number 15. I don't know. I'll be right back. Double X to the O, Lex. Making a DIY ornament. Here's the ornament. And it's glass, so you gotta be careful with that. And then we have some glitter. Purple glitter. Then we have some of this. It's polyacrylic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And by the way, you do need 2 cups. I have another one, but we're not going to use it yet. So 2 cups, glue, ornament, glitter, whatever decoration you want. I pick glitter. So yeah, that's all you need. Now let's just take the lid off of this. Break it. Take it off. Okay. Set it to the side. I'm gonna open this. All you gotta do is pour some in. Not a lot. See, not a lot. And just roll it around and make sure it gets all the way over. And up here too. And up here too. And you want to start opening or like cleaning out your glitter. Mine is purple. You can see? Purple. And then you want to get the ornament. And then you want to pour it in there. Little by little, as I'm doing right now. And then whenever it's in there, you just want to like go like that. So now it's time for the other cup, which is for the glitter. So yeah, so whatever excess you have in your of glitter in here, you just want to pour it back in there. So yeah. And there we are. Our awesome glittery, sparkly ornament. It's really sparkly. And then we have to wait for it to dry. So whenever you're done putting glitter in, you gotta wait for it to dry, and then you can put your cap on. So yeah. Okay guys, so here's the finished product, and yeah. That's what it looks like. Anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!